Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix freezing and stuttering issues in Diablo 4. Okay, first things first, here are the things that you can do. First method is to disable crossplay. Head to your in-game settings and disable crossplay. Many players have reported this as an effective solution. Second method is to update GPU drivers. Ensure that your GPU drivers are up to date, especially after major updates like the Season 2. Third method is to update Diablo 4. Check for and install the latest patches and updates released by the developers to address performance issues. Next method is to verify game files. Corrupted or missing game files can cause problems. Use Steam or Battle.net to verify the integrity of your game files. Next method is to change game settings. After major updates, in-game settings can reset. Ensure that your settings match those from Season 1 to avoid issues like freezing. Next method is to check system requirements. Verify that your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage meet or exceed the recommended requirements for smooth gameplay. Next method is to disable full screen optimizations. Some players have reported that disabling the full screen optimizations can help with lag. So right-click the game's executable file, go to Properties, and navigate to the Compatibility tab and check the Disable Full Screen Optimizations option. Last method is to run Diablo 4 as an administrator. Running the game as an administrator can grant it necessary permissions and potentially resolve your log game issues. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix freezing and stuttering issues in Diablo 4. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.